What's going on, guys? Samuel Bouret here with Adorama TV, and today I'm shooting with 3 different lenses and showing you how each lens shapes the look of the image. Let's go shoot. Today, I'm shooting in Miami to show how different focal lengths completely change the feel and emotion of an image. My model is styled in a vintage glam look, so we're shooting on Espanola Way between 14th and 15th Street, a location that naturally complements that timeless aesthetic. I'm starting with a wide lens, the RF 15 to 35mm f2.8 set to 15mm. This is my establishing shot. I'm shooting on the Canon R5 using a Flashpoint XPLOR 800 Pro with a 36-inch Glow EZ Lock softbox as my main light. At 15mm, the goal isn't just to show the subject, it's to show the world around her. Wide-angle lenses exaggerate space, pull the viewer into the scene, and create a strong sense of place. Next, I switch to the RF 50mm f1.2 lens. This is where things start to feel more personal. A 50mm lens gives a natural perspective, very close to how we see with our own eyes, but the f1.2 aperture allows me to control the background completely. The shallow depth of field melts distractions away and puts all the attention on my subject. If the wide lens tells the story of the place, the 50mm lens tells the story of the person. Finally, I moved to the 70 to 200mm f2.8 lens. This lens completely changes the image's look. By stepping back and zooming in, the background compresses, making distant elements feel closer and more layered. The result is a more dramatic, polished, almost editorial look. At longer focal lengths, facial features are flatter and more refined, and the separation between subject and background becomes even stronger. Each of these lenses tells a different version of the same story. The wide lens sets the scene, the 50mm connects us to the subject, and the 70 to 200 refines the image into something bold and intentional. Same model, same light, same location, but 3 completely different visual emotions can be achieved simply by changing the focal length. All right, guys, that's it. Tell me what you thought about those images. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next time.